Solving business challenges with Vsoft Labs. Data management automation case study. Vsoft Labs worked with one of the nation's largest privately held third-party benefits administrators that serves businesses of all sizes across the U.S. The company was manually importing data from Excel spreadsheets, including ADP data, salary grades, system access matrices, and documents of authority. They were manually organizing it into their database, which was time-consuming and prone to human error. Vsoft Labs developed a comprehensive back-end automation solution that downloads, categorizes, and inserts data into their database automatically. The team also created a centralized dashboard that allowed users to easily search and view specific data all in one place, as well as generate reports. This automation solution significantly reduced manual workloads, lowering operational costs by 46%. The easy-to-navigate dashboard and reporting system allowed for better data collaboration and improved efficiency by 28%. Technologies applied include ASP.NET MVC, C#, Web API, jQuery, Bootstrap, and SQL Server. Thanks for watching. Learn more at vsoftlabs.com.